Hello guys, today I show you electric toothbrush replacement. This is set of 10 usable toothbrush head. You can use this as well as a sonic device, and how you can see is 10 package in one box. It's very to use. You can unpack the new one when you need to use, at least if you go for traveling. It's very perfect for this because you can use this as well by one click to install in your toothbrush. So it's a medium, and when you use this brush, it's very comfortable in your mouth, and I like the design, the comfort size here. So also it's a one color in a white, very durable. So how you can see this, easy to install, and it's very easy to take it with you. And also it's included the brush for your mouth, for your extra cleaning. And I like this also. The color is beautiful, and everything here include the box, and you can use the box to put your brush here, and it's very comfortable size to put wherever you go. And also it's very easy to unpack, and how you can see every brush cover and secure for any bacteria, any fingers touching, so it's very good. And how you can see the new one is the same as well, and they all have very durable plastic, and I like the quality is perfect. So